Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. We are now on topic 9, the strategic window, identifying and analyzing the gap for new business. This chapter considers why there will always be gaps in the market that the entrepreneur can exploit despite the presence of established business. This chapter also goes on to develop a picture of opportunity as a strategic window through which the new venture must pass. This chapter consists of two learning objectives. First, to understand how the metaphor of the strategic window can be used by entrepreneur in the process of identifying and exploiting opportunity. Second, to understand the four stages how to create strategic windows. Stage 1, scanning for opportunity. Stage 2, positioning the new venture. Stage 3, gaining commitment. And Stage 4, sustaining competitiveness. A business environment is full of opportunities because existing business always leave gaps. There is always the potential to create new value. This may be because of both institutional failings on the part of incumbents and game theoretical interactions between competitors. These gaps is called strategic window. A strategic window is a visual metaphor which allows entrepreneurs to make sense of the opportunities they pursue. It involves the process of identifying, evaluating, and exploiting a new business opportunity. There are four main stages of the strategic window, starting from scanning, positioning, gaining, and finally sustaining the window. As mentioned earlier, a window of opportunity may exist when an entrepreneur finds the gap between the firm's capabilities and market needs. These gaps is the areas where entrepreneurs can do something better or new than competitor. Entrepreneur must ensure the window opportunity is big enough to justify the investment needed to open it. This is called strategic fit. There are four stages of the process of identifying and exploiting opportunity, starting from scanning for opportunity, positioning the new venture, gaining commitment, and sustaining competitiveness. The first stage is scanning for opportunity. In this stage, entrepreneur spots the gaps in what the existing players offer to the market. Entrepreneurs will identify new opportunities or problems through active research approach, for example, by conducting feasibility study or market survey. The second stage of the process of exploiting opportunity is positioning the new venture. In this stage, entrepreneur position itself in the marketplace relative to existing players to take the best advantage of the opportunity presented. The third stage of exploiting opportunity is gain commitment. On this stage, entrepreneur opens the window, that means to turn the vision into a reality to start the business. An entrepreneur needs to remember to get all stakeholders of the business to make a full commitment to the venture during this stage. The final stage of the process of identifying and exploiting opportunity is sustaining competitiveness. On this stage, entrepreneurs need to stop competitors to follow their business rule in order to make sure sustainable competitive advantage in the long run for the business. Entrepreneur can build security and stability of the business, for example, like to create intellectual property protections for their brand name. As a summary, a business environment is full of opportunities because existing business always leave gaps. And these gaps is called a strategic window. A strategic window is a visual metaphor which allows entrepreneurs to make sense of the opportunities they pursue. There are four main stages of the strategic window, starting from scanning of opportunity, positioning the new idea or new venture, gaining commitment, and finally sustaining competitiveness. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.